Hello, I'm Adam, and today I want to present you new charger from Skyrc. New flagship charger for a lot of cylindrical cells. Yes, MC5000. Let's unbox it. We've got Skycharger app. Well, we had previously. What we've got there? Pretty short instruction. I will take you a look. Yeah, so there we can see specifications. Charge power 80 watts. Yes, we are unboxing the best charger on the market, which has best charging curve. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Wow. Okay, that's how it looks like. Wow, interesting. Okay, so well, my first impression, it's very heavy. And why it's very heavy? Because we don't got power supply brick. We've got only cable and the charger itself. Okay, so what we've got? Power delivery 3.0, 85 watts. Maybe this is some kind of a heatsink. There we've got AC input, charge voltages. This is nothing. Oh, there we've got a fan, and there is a connector for AC. Yeah, we'll compare it to the older model MC3000, which is pretty dusty, and yeah, but that's how they look like, one each other, next to each other. And well, okay, let's connect it and we'll see how the interface look like, and is it that hard as the previous one. Okay, standby, Bluetooth is not connecting, and it seems to it. What I can do now? Okay, single. It's very easy to skip more. Yeah, but okay, it's not skipping by mistake. Yeah, so oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, how I went there? There is slot. Okay, so controlling looks like there we are changing each cell spot, and if I want to go deeper, I will just press. Then I've got displaying one single cell. Then I can go deeper, and I've got settings for charging, etc. For example, maximum 5 amp hour, charge current, how it will work. Oh, yeah, baby, 5 amps. Okay, let's set it up to 1 amp. And okay, well, first look, and we could press start. Value will be set in all channels. Yes. I have no idea if it got saved, but yeah, it got saved. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if we are in settings, we are changing settings for each mode. For each, oh, by the way, Lion high voltage, and a loop, okay. That's fine. I'm missing the back button. I had to scroll, but okay. And how to get out of it? Yeah, I'm missing okay. In this model, they designed it to don't have multiple modes. let's see how it looked like in the older model. And by the way, look at this. Yeah, maybe you saw the spark. But okay. Okay, like this. So we had 4 slots as previously, but we've got a lot of buttons, and you need to use it to know what exactly. And we can see we've got 30 programs. Yes, we've got 30 individual programs, which, as you can see, I was using only like, okay, maybe 7. From 7 to 30 those are exactly same. Yeah, so I was using like 7 presets, and generally, yeah, those are preset settings. So if we go deeper, we can set the current charge and this charge, etc. Of course, we can set what we want to charge, uncharge, and yeah, everything. You are seeing me, I'm clicking it very fast and I know where everything is, but to be honest, it was very big nightmare to know what exactly where is and how to operate it, yeah? Okay, but I'm curious, what modes do we got on the newer version? So I go deeper, I go deeper, and task. Okay, they name it like task, and yeah, you see that somehow. Charge, storage, discharge, cycle. Okay, we've got same. Charge current, discharge current, and oh, there is this option that I wanted to show you on this one, but it was deeper. There is a cycle mode, and we can specify what do we want. So it can charge it to full, discharge it, and charge. So after a full cycle, we've got measured the voltage, and it's fully charged. Of course, yeah, those can charge and discharge, charge, discharge. Well, I'm missing, and of course we can set some counts, but to be honest, I'm missing a feature where we could set it like charge, discharge, and charge to storage. So CDS. Yeah, I'm missing this option. Maybe it's somewhere else, or maybe on Bluetooth, or yeah, whatever. A very good thing that was on the older charger, it has ability to calibrate, and I calibrated this charger like 2 years ago on the very precise multimeter, and I'm curious if this newer version has this option too. Well, both. Ooh! Yeah, so if you hold both buttons, you've got some Chinese markings. Okay. That's how it looks like. Price is absolute crazy, about $140. But this charger is flagship charger. Those are best. I mean, the charging curve is best, capabilities are best, allowing, for example, charging all batteries with good current. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Bye!